Hi everyone, I'm Florencia, a senior specialist on the Industry Solutions team here at MongoDB. Today, we will explore how generative AI enhances retail with a smart use case, a product description generator, and how this can streamline the product onboarding process and impact the market. The agenda looks as follows. We will understand the power of description. We will then learn what are the challenges as consideration around this process. We will then break down how the key tech components of these features work behind the scenes and showcase a demo to see it in action. And last but not least, we will summarize the key learnings from today's video. Ready? Fast and efficient product onboarding is key in today's competitive retail market. Automating processes while ensuring quality and managing multilingual needs help retailers speed up time to market and improve efficiency. Writing a product description might seem simple, but how products are presented shapes customers' perception and engagement and, of course, sales. Let's break it down. Having a great description can enhance user engagement and satisfaction, as 87% of online shoppers consider product description to be crucial when making a buying decision. On the other hand, having inaccurate descriptions can result in revenue loss and trust decline with your customer base, as 40% of consumers have returned online purchases due to poor product contents. The process of writing high-quality descriptions involves numerous details and careful considerations. Some of the challenges that present include structuring product descriptions that addresses their target's needs and desires while maintaining a consistent tone across the platform. Creating SEO-optimized product descriptions to drive organic traffic and improve search engine rankings. And for multilingual portals and with multiple operating geographies, this challenge of accuracy increases. Even after a description is written, too often there is still a content approval process that needs to happen, delaying the process. The product description generator streamlines this workflow by automating the initial content creation through generative AI, providing retailers with a solid foundation for each product. Let's take a look at how the key tech components of these features work behind the scenes. At the core, we have MongoDB Atlas, which contains the product catalog of our e-commerce stores. We also have a cloud object storage where the unstructured data lives. In this demo, that is our image files for our catalog, this could be, for example, an S3, a Google storage bucket, or an Azure Blob storage. The flow starts at the left-hand side when a new product is received. This can be manual input or automated batch events. Once we get the new product on the system, retailers can generate the descriptions by sending a query to TogetherAI's endpoint. TogetherAI offers a variety of generative AI services, making it easy to run or fine-tune leading open-source models with only a few lines of code. We are using their vision models, which can process and understand image alongside text. These models combine computer vision and natural language processing. Inside the request, we specify which LLM type we want to use, the length, the languages in which we want this description, and of course, the product's image URL, so the model can process it. Then, TogetherAI takes this data and uses one of its Llama 3 vision models to scan the image and generate a description that matches the specified requirements. And it returns the descriptions to the product description application. The product, along with its description, will be then updated in real time inside the catalog. And at any point in time, the UX writing team can enhance this description from inside the application, and this will be updated on the catalog. And just as an example of how these architectures can scale, think of adding MongoDB chain streams to allow real-time updates on any application listening to the catalog. For example, the e-commerce portal or a social media platform. Let's bring concepts to life through our demo solution.
Here is how it works. They first select the image of the product that will be onboarded. They then select the model they want to utilize to generate the description, factoring in cost, the accuracy, or the multilingual support that they are looking for. They then specify the languages. This could be based on the region the product will be sold, and the length as well, to fit any platform guidelines. The product description generator will then return the results for each selected language, and at that moment, the description will be upsorted inside the product catalog of MongoDB. If the user clicks on the product catalog page, they will be able to see the new product added into the catalog with the respective descriptions. Any changes done inside the system will immediately be updated on the database, ensuring real-time availability across all connected systems. This was demonstrated with a single product, but the use case could easily scale to accept bulk products for retailers that handle larger catalogs and add more pipelines or data validation rules to this process. The descriptions provided by the LLM work as a base for the product's description, matching the tone and UX writing of the e-commerce portal. With this solution, content marketing teams have streamlined the initial process and can get to an end result with minor changes in little time.
We just learned how MongoDB and TogetherAI can be leveraged to create a strong architecture that empowers retailers and their teams to push new products faster to the market in less time with less effort. Some of the key learnings include the importance of high-quality product description and the benefits it brings for a business. Modernizing the architecture can enable faster scalability to accommodate growing product catalogs with minimal additional effort. MongoDB and TogetherAI form a powerful duo for modern real-time architectures. Thank you so much for staying until the end of this video. If you are interested in replicating this demo in your own environment, be sure to check out the GitHub repository linked in the description box, where you find the full architecture, code, and setup instructions. If you are as passionate as we are about understanding how AI and the latest technologies are shaping industry, we invite you to explore more of our videos and don't forget to subscribe. And of course, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our team. Thanks for watching and see you next time.